In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the XM broker on MT4. Now, the first thing you want to do over here inside your dashboard when you're signed into your account on my.xm.com, you want to go ahead and over here in the left-hand side where it says More, click on that and click on up top where it says Platform. Now, this is going to take you over here where you can see MT4 Platform. Click on that, and this is going to take you into a separate tab where you can go ahead and then download the XM version of MT4, which basically looks like this. Okay, so in here, you basically will not have to find anything because this is already the XM MT4, and you can just go to File, top left, you can click on Login to Trade Account, and in here, you can just type in your login number from your demo account, your password, and then your server as well. So, for example, the way you find this, if you don't know, you can just go up here to your accounts, and then you have to find your MT4 account, click on it, and click on Manage. And then click account info, and then here you can see the account information, the MT ID, so this is going to be the one you have to put inside the login section, and then you can see the server over here as well, and this is very important. And of course you also need the password which you set upon creating your account. So here you have to again go to File, Login to Trade Account, there's going to be a number, this is your password, and then the server for me is this one. For you it may be different, but after you type that in, you can basically easily connect to MT4 using your XM account. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.